I got a Maslow router all set up, all built, calibrated, and when I tried to start using it, start making cuts, the Z-axis wasn't functioning properly. Go right down here. So this was some test cutting I was doing. So like this line that goes horizontally through here, this line shouldn't have been there. When it was doing that, that should have been a retracted move instead of an actual cut line. And this depth started off a lot higher, and then it got deeper and deeper as it went. So I tried a couple things, and then I realized that the tab for the Z-axis right here, this was popping out of the router, and I just let the router fall into the workpiece. So search around on the forums trying to get the information together. Bungee cord common Z-axis modification, that takes the screw, if there's any slop between the screw and this nut or carrier, takes all the slop out of it to the downward side. Another thing that's brought up a lot is adjusting this clamp tightness and lubricating these mating surfaces along the router's mating surface so that carrier that locks into that little guy. Doing all those things, I was still having trouble with my setup. So eventually I was found out that that little groove was the issue. That groove is the anti-rotation groove that locks in with that little guy. So I'll take a before picture, I'll put it in right now. And then we can look at the after. So this is the after. So I filed all that groove down. There was, as you saw, there was a big mark right in there, real high spot. It was catching and dragging. Got all that cleaned up. I was able to make some successful cuts and even got a project going right now. Got a home plate with the Twins logo. So it appears that my Z-axis issues have been taken care of. Right, Luca? Right, Grace? Where's my Grace? Where's my Luca? Little shop dogs.